Bafu amano, I jokola juju. According to Ndiowere, Fotamano, Mekona Gada, Meko ask this question. This is the question of the day, perhaps question of the year. Okay. Did Ogechi Okeke Njaka intentionally expose herself online just so she could trend or for other reasons? Or is she a victim of an honest exposure while she was on that call? Because she was on a live program the other day. I think she went to the bathroom or something and left her phone facing upward. When she got back, trying to pick up the phone and continue with the live program, from Oburu yesterday, even though all funding when I know when you commit again, you're terrible. About retreat, some kind of retreat. Meaning it's kind of dark, looking more like a silhouette type of setting, but you run when I need kiri, anya ruala, and so, but some people are accusing her that she did that on purpose. But why would she want to do that? She's married already. You understand? Some people say maybe the husband understands, or she probably planned it with the husband. Are you serious? So men out there, would you be comfortable if your wife were to come up to you and say, babe, I want to trend online, so I'm going to expose my kwekus just briefly, Is that going to be okay with you? Would you allow that? I'm just curious. I don't know. Everybody's different, to each his own, maybe. But I doubt she will go that route. And even if some people are saying because she did it, maybe she wants to attract more men to come at her. Come at her for what? She's a hardworking girl. She's doing her job. She got a job. She got a husband. I don't think she needs a man for whatever. So she doesn't need to be advertising her kwekus online for that. But whatever it is, let us know what you think about it, But a lot of people are very excited because Ogechi Njaka has, had in the past fought with a lot of people online. Some people don't like her at all. Some people are mad at her for supporting Okulora, for instance, during the COS saga. Some people are not happy with her because she's a staunch Zion member with Ebuka Obi. Some people are not happy with her because they say she dragged some lady, Benko, online because, what's her name? Somebody Benko online because of her nude, that she was helping circulate the nude. I don't know how true that is. Some people are not happy with her because she's fighting with Ijele. She calls him Udele. The guy that has that page, the King of the Game page, So I don't know. She has had a lot of fights with different people. So who knows? She used to fight J-Pack back in the day, but they are buddies now. You understand? So I don't know. Maybe those people that are not happy with her are the ones pushing this whole, narrative, So some people are not happy that people are doing that to her. So let us know what you think. Did Ogechi Njaka intentionally expose her just so she can trend? I don't know. I doubt it, because she seems like a woman that has a lot of integrity, and she speaks very proudly of herself. So I don't think she did that. Let us know what you think. So please, besides what I think, I'm begging the people pushing this opinion or narrative that she did that on purpose. I'm begging, make her slow down small. I'm not God to figure out if she did it or not, but please make her slow down. Let us know. Fracas more fire. Still, We4We Media. Now we there.
Bar Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Derema. More fire. Puka puka puka.